Welcome guys. And today I'm going to show you how you can change education of the children in Europa Universalis. So what you need to do is basically click on your king and then go to your children. So let's say I want to change education for these children. I will click on it and basically you'll see the children right here and you'll see a balanced education. You can change that to administrative education, diplomatic education, and as you can see, it improves the abilities of something like administrative, diplomatic, and etc. So you can choose by your own preference, and that's pretty much it. Just click it, and by that, you will be able to change this education. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.